Hello and welcome to this video on containerization in cloud computing. In this video we will discuss how containerization enables portability and demonstrate the construction of Dockerfile to build an image. We will also discuss how images are used in containerizations and provide an example of how push an image to Docker Hub. Additionally, we will explain how container volume work and provide an example of creating a Docker volume. Finally, we will explain how a container networking works and provide an example of creating a Docker network. Alright, let's start with the portability. Containerizations allow applications to be packaged in a self-contained environment, making them easily portable across different environments. This means that the same containerized application can run seamlessly on any cloud platform or on-premises infrastructure. Now let's look how to construct build an image. Here we goes to our Dockerfile creation section. Here we have a simple Dockerfile that install a web server and copies an HTML file to the container. We can build the image using the docker build command specifying the location of the Docker file like that. Once the image is built, we can run container from an image on any platform that supports Docker. Now let's move to the image and publishing images. Here we publish the images. Images are building blocks of containerization, and Docker Hub is a popular registry for storing and sharing Docker images. We can push our image to Docker Hub using push command like that. Okay, once the image is uploaded, it can be easily pulled by others and run on their own infrastructure. Now let's to containers volumes. Container volumes. Now comes to the container volume section. Networking, and that's container volume. Container volumes provide a way to persist data between container runs. We can create a Docker volume using the docker volume command like that, and then we can mount it to a container using the V flag like that. Okay, next we move to container networking. Container networking allows containers to communicate with each other over a virtual network. Okay, when we can create a Docker network using the docker network command like docker network command here, and once the network is created, we can attach containers to the image. Okay, and that concludes our video on containerization in clouds computing. We have covered how containerization enables portability and demonstrated the construction of Dockerfile to build an image, discussed how images are used in containerization, provided an example of how to push an image to Docker Hub, explained how container volume works, and provided an example of creating a Docker volume. We also explained how container networking works and provided an example of creating a Docker network. Thanks for watching.